Hi and welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi and welcome. Today I wanted to show you my chives. A friend gave me, well, I've been told that it's Skellian, well that's what my mum used to call it, or Shallots, are the bulbs which grow, and these, that's the chives. So that's my chives. She gave me a handful and they looked like they were dying, and I've just put them in anyway. I've just put them in this patch. I hadn't yet decided what I was going to grow here, but I obviously, you know, when I get seeds or, you know, anybody gives me some plants, I try and, you know, not only research how to grow them and the best conditions, but these ones, they look like they were going off, so I wanted to just make sure that I'll put them in the ground anyway and see how I get along. And they're growing, and I've got them in two places because I wasn't sure what kind of environment, but these seem to be thriving well enough here. I do need to probably just nourish the ground a bit more, the soil, and again put down some of the, I have put down some of the Mexican sunflower just to put some nutrients back into the soil, but I'm gonna need to do that again in this particular area. But I'm really pleased at them growing. Again, it's almost like, you know, it's another kind of, oh my gosh, yes, I did it kind of thing, when things start to grow and you know, you can actually use them in your cooking. Like, actually, I'm going to be using some of these in my cooking today. I'll take some from the other site, nearer the back garden. The back, I've put some of these. So yeah, here is my chives and Skellian. Skellian? Yeah. All right then. Thanks for watching today. Let me know in the comments what you're growing. You know, do let me, you know what you've been doing and how your success is, or whether you've got any advice. And I just hope that as a new gardener, farmer slash that I can gain as much information and knowledge as possible, so that, you know, I can share the harvest and the bounty with others. That is a great feeling. So there you go. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and take care for now.